Hello and welcome back to the MHF channel. Today we are going to review the Tomica that I just bought from the online shop. This is Tomica number 80 Hitachi Construction Machinery Rubber Crawler Carrier EG110R. Such a long name, isn't it? This is a very interesting construction vehicle to review because it has a quite unique shape. And of course this is a bit rare too. And I noticed that the price is also a bit expensive. The Hitachi was released in December 16, 2006 and retired in May 2012. That's why I said this is a bit pricey and rare. The scale is 195. The size is just right, not too big, not too small. It can also rotate on its base and its down portion can be lifted. And this Hitachi doesn't have suspension. It has an outstanding orange color. And there's a gray color for the driver and a combination of black on the bottom and the wheels. Looks pretty simple and cool indeed. Thank you for watching my video. That's all for today. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.